Struggling with burning when you pee, or maybe you're running to the bathroom way too often. Don't scroll, because this could help you feel real relief. Every week I hear people say, "My urine smells bad. I feel discomfort. I don't know what to do." Sound familiar? You're not alone. Before we go on, double tap if you've ever had urinary discomfort, and hit follow so you don't miss part 2. Here's the truth. Your bladder needs support just like the rest of your body, and I've got a simple recipe that may help. Step 1. Boil a glass of water. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon of hibiscus flower. This helps cleanse the urinary tract and reduce inflammation. Step 3. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Step 4.